guys, it's me Maddie and welcome back to this week's video.
We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore.
So, I haven't done this video in a little while, so I thought, why not bring it back? So it is an Ipsy unboxing. I'm so excited. So let's just open this up. Let's just get started. Yeah. So this is what's inside. This is this month's bag, which I really like. The little eyelashes, and I find this very cute and simple. I just love this. It reminds me of like sleep. That's what I'm thinking. And then these two little things came in it. So first things first are these masks. So this is a vitamin C velvet mask. Dual pigmented skin vitamin C velvet mask is what this one is. So the function of it is to brighten your face. And then this is a vitamin S, or it's an oil and moisturize balance vitamin S velvet mask. So this is a moisturizing function. So these are the two little face masks. I'm so excited to try these ones out. Never had velvet sheet mask, so we will definitely try that out. Anyways, let's go. This is a Luxie brush. I love Luxie brushes. So this is the 140 Detail Tapper Blender brush. So I'm so excited to use this out and add it to my collection. Next thing that I have in here is Nomad Around the World Tasio Sunrise Light Infusion Powder is what this says on the back. It says buttery, super blendable blushing highlighter in shimmering soft peach shade with multi-dimensional rhythmic topaz pearl finish. Yeah, so let's try to open this up real quick. So it comes in like this little pod, and let's just pop it open. Ooh, that's pretty. So that is what this highlighter looks like. It's really pretty, and I really like it. So we are definitely going to try this bad boy out. Next thing in this bag is a Winxie Luxe Mermaid Kitten Palette. So this is in the shade Ursula. This is in the shade Ursula. So we are just going to open this up. Ooh, there's a little mermaid kitten on the front of it. Okay, let's see what this color is. It's like a really deep purple. I don't know how I'm going to use that because I never wear this kind of color, but we can definitely do an experiment video with it. So, or I might add this to my giveaway stuff. So, that is that. So, lastly in this bag is this Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. And I've actually been wanting to get one, so I'm really happy I can try a sample of it out just to see how it works my skin. So it's a moisturizer and a primer all in one. So this is what it looks like. This is what the bottle looks like. So I'm excited. Hey guys! So thank you guys so much for watching this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe. It would mean the absolute world to me. But yeah, I hope you guys like this. Let me know if you want me to do a video including any of these products that I did receive today, because I do want to show you guys what it looks like. So I have a video idea in mind, but I don't know. I want to hear your guys' opinions, so let me know in the comments below. But yeah, I will talk to you guys in next week's video. Bye!